LUF-60. Firefighting is a dangerous job, and firefighters risk their lives every day doing it. For this reason, it's very important to develop mobile fire systems capable of operating on remote control. The LUF-60 is a system developed by Austrian specialists. It's able to extinguish fires in open areas and in enclosed spaces. It can be used when the rescuers can't get too close to the danger zone. It can perform three very important functions. The first is firefighting. The system extinguishes the fire with a jet of water or special foam. The second is the ventilation of the premises, as well as the deposition of smoke by spraying water. The third is decreasing the temperature in the room using, again, water, which is sprayed in very small drops. The range of the water jet is 80 meters. The range of foam is 35 meters. Despite the fact that the system weighs 2,120 kilograms, it stands out for its mobility and agility, as it can even enter hard-to-reach places. The caterpillar design of the wheels allows it to climb on inclined surfaces, however at an angle of maximum 30 degrees. But the main advantage, of course, is the remote control. The operator can be located at a distance of up to 300 meters from the system. Sikorsky S-64 Sky Crane. Here we have a twin-engined heavy helicopter, designed in the US to perform difficult tasks. The Sikorsky S-64 Sky Crane is a civilian version of a heavy cargo helicopter used by the US Army. The helicopter proved to be very effective in extinguishing wildfires. It's equipped with a patented and fixed reservoir with a capacity of 10,000 litres. It's noteworthy that loading the Sikorsky S-64 Sky Crane with water takes only 45 seconds. The helicopter hovers above the reservoir, releasing a 46 centimeter thick hose. This way, the water enters the tank. This allows the helicopter to act quickly, extinguishing fires and quickly throwing large quantities of water into the fire. It holds up to 5 people as well, and speeds up to 203 kilometers per hour. Apart from the United States, these helicopters are used in Italy and Korea. In addition to firefighting, they're used in emergency response operations, in civil protection, in wood production, and to lift heavy structures. It's interesting that each helicopter has its own name. So Elvis, Isabel, and the Incredible Hulk were used to fight fires in Australia. And with the help of Olga, they built the upper part of the CN Tower in Toronto. Thermite 3.0. Sometimes firefighters don't have the means to end a fire on their own. That's when a device like Thermite 3.0 comes to the rescue. The production of these fire robots is carried out by the American company How & How. Each robot is equipped with a special water cannon, capable of pumping up to 9,463 liters of water per minute. It's amazing that a single machine can supply enough water under a huge pressure. In comparison, to supply water under the same pressure using a standard hose, it would take 6 to 8 people working together. The robot is made of durable, fire-resistant, aircraft-grade aluminium and steel, and it moves on a crawler platform. This design allows it to reach difficult areas, putting out fires in dangerous and inaccessible places. Control is carried out by the operator using a remote control. Thermite 3.0 is equipped with a camera which streams the video to the operator panel. This increases the accuracy of control over the robot, helping to respond faster in case of emergency. It's amazing, but the radius of control over the radio reaches thousands of kilometers. The manufacturer claims that this is the safest, most durable, and most reliable robot on the market, suitable for extinguishing fires of any size and any kind. Extinguishing robot. Don't let the compact dimensions of this firefighting robot deceive you. This little robot, weighing only 480 kilograms, 166 centimeters long, 75 centimeters tall, is capable of shooting water at a distance equal to the length of a football field. The radius of remote control in an open area is 3 kilometers. If there's an obstacle between the operator and the robot, the radius is reduced to 500 meters, which isn't bad at all. The robot is not only effective, spraying water at a distance of up to 85 meters, but also very technological. It's equipped with a thermal imaging detector to ensure high image quality in any condition, even if everything around is dusty and smoky. Also, there's an infrared thermal imager, which makes it easy to track the source of the heat. The Caterpillar platform, together with its compact dimensions, gives the robot an amazing passing ability. It climbs into narrow tunnels, impenetrable and inaccessible places, and can even go up and down the stairs. Despite its modest size, it has a lifting capacity of up to 1 ton. This allows using it to save wounded people who can't move independently. A low stretcher is attached to the robot, so it can enter the burning building and take out wounded persons. The Aerone's firefighting drone. A standard fire engine is capable of extinguishing a fire at a height of up to 70 meters. Sadly, every year there are more skyscrapers, so it was necessary to come up with a fundamentally new solution for extinguishing high-altitude fires. The Aerone's firefighting drone is able to fly up to a height of 300 to 400 meters, extinguishing fires even at great heights in a very short time. The drone needs 6 minutes to reach an altitude of 300 meters. There are 2 cables connected to it. One is the power supply, and the other is the water supply. The weight of the drone is 55 kilograms and it's 3 meters wide. The first drones worked at the expense of the battery, which reduced the time of work to 30 minutes. Today's models can be in the air for as long as necessary until the fire is completely eliminated. It's noteworthy that the carrying capacity of the drone is 145 kilograms. This means that it can perform rescue operations. For example, pull people out of the windows of high-burning buildings. The video demonstrates how a man is pulled out from a lake by the drone. Pyro lance. Some weapons take people's lives, but the weapons used by firefighters are designed to save them. The pyro lance is a unique water jet that looks more like a rifle. Instead of cartridges and ammo, however, it uses a jet of water under ultra-high pressure, about 84 kilograms per cubic centimeter. Because of the high pressure, the drops emitted by the water cannon are 64 times smaller than ordinary drops. So the water stream is 16 and even 20 times more efficient thanks to this design. Thus, the pyro lance absorbs heat as quickly as possible, which makes extinguishing fires really quick, while reducing the amount of water used. Thanks to the fact that these micro droplets have a minimum weight, they hang in the air, absorbing heat more efficiently. In addition, they move more easily through the air, spreading beyond the area where the firefighters are working. The flow of water also contains non-metallic particles, which don't heat up and don't create sparks. At the same time, pyro lance releases them under such high pressure that they're able to pass through any material. It breaks through 6 centimeters of composite material in 6 seconds. In 30 seconds, the pyro lance punches a hole in a brick wall, and after 55 seconds it makes a hole in steel. Thus, firefighters can break a hole in a wall and, with the help of water, lower the temperature in the room before entering. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.